They look exactly the same on camera, but one is volcanic glass, one is a rare crystalline silicate, and the other is a literal gemstone. If you don't know what you're looking at, you will get ripped off. Today, we are completely updating the old school rules of mineral identification. We are diving deep into the real, definitive ways to spot the differences between Black Obsidian, Black Onyx, and Black Tourmaline, especially when they are fully polished. But wait, did you know that up to 80% of what is sold as pure Black Onyx online is actually just dyed chalcedony or cheap glass? Stick around, because I'll show you a foolproof test using nothing but your smartphone to spot a fake instantly. Let's start with obsidian. Obsidian isn't actually a mineral, it's volcanic glass. It forms when lava cools so fast that crystals don't have time to grow. Because it's glass, its most famous characteristic is its conchoidal fracture. See those curved shell-like ripples where it breaks? That's called spalling. If your rough black stone breaks into sharp, glass-like flakes, it's obsidian. But what if it's already beautifully polished into a ring or a bead? That brings us to our smartphone test. Obsidian is highly translucent when cut thin. Hold it up to a strong flashlight. If you see a dark, smoky grey, greenish or yellowish light bleeding through the edges, you're holding genuine obsidian, often called an Apache tear. But what happens if absolutely zero light passes through? If it stays pitch black under a heavy flash, you are likely looking at onyx or something far more sinister. Let's talk about onyx, because this is where most people lose their money. Real natural onyx is a banded variety of silicate chalcedony. Unlike agate, which has curved bands, true onyx features perfectly straight parallel lines. Even in a solid black polished piece, if you look under a jeweler's loupe, you can often spot these faint microscopic growth layers. Notice how that onyx holds a smooth, deep, commanding reflection? That's because onyx has a Mohs hardness of 7. It's significantly harder than obsidian, meaning it doesn't scratch easily from everyday wear. If you took a sharp piece of quartz, which is also a hardness of 7, and scraped it against obsidian, it would leave a permanent scratch because obsidian is soft glass. Try that on this onyx ring. The quartz won't leave a mark. But don't go scratching your jewellery just yet, because our third stone has a secret that makes it completely unique. Enter Black Tourmaline, also known as shawl. In its raw form, it's the easiest to identify because it grows in long, heavily striated columnar crystals. It looks like a bundle of tightly packed black needles. But what about when it's fully polished into a bead or a stone? Here is the secret. Tourmaline is incredibly difficult to polish cleanly. Look closely at the surface. Do you see those tiny microscopic fractures, cracks, and pockmarks? Tourmaline naturally contains deep fissures, meaning a polished piece will almost never look perfectly mirror smooth like glass or onyx. Even cooler, black tourmaline is pyroelectric and piezoelectric. If you rub it vigorously against a cloth to heat it up, it generates an actual electrical charge that will literally attract dust, ash, or tiny bits of paper like a magnet. Neither onyx nor obsidian can do that. So let's lay down the ultimate cheat sheet so you can identify them out in the wild in seconds. If it's glassy, flakes when broken, and lets light pass through the edges under your phone light, it's obsidian. If it is completely opaque, highly scratch resistant, and displays microscopic parallel lines under high quality finishes like ring shown previously, it's onyx. And finally, if it has long ridges in the rough, tiny irregular pockmarks when polished, and acts like a magnet for dust when heated, you've found black tourmaline. Don't let low quality dupes fool you. Invest in pieces that name every material and detail their exact craft. If you want to elevate your style with genuine stone engineering, check out the Outlaws Force Ring linked in the description below. It features a massive, premium 2.30 carat genuine black onyx set in solid 925 sterling silver with black rhodium. Press that subscribe button, leave a comment telling me which stone is your favorite, and leave a like if you enjoy this content. See you next time.